All right, so I took off the wheel. You don't necessarily have to, but you will have to remove these Phillips head screws. Now we can grab this, pull it out of the way. Awesome. We have a clear view of this area right here. The next thing we're going to do is remove these bulb sockets. You want to check your bulb filaments, just make sure they're in good working condition. If they're broken, now's a great time to replace the bulb. Okay, at this point, we're going to remove the mounting area right here. To do that, you can use some pliers and you can try to squeeze the little ears in and then draw this off. Or you can use something as simple as an 8mm socket. Slide it right over and then kind of just draw the lens away from the bumper cover. And do the same to this one. Pops right off and then draw this towards you. It should come right out. So we have our new lamp assembly, and if you turn it around, you're going to see it comes with brand new bulb sockets. Turn that. That's perfect. So I'm going to get a new bulb because, well, why not? I'm going to install brand new bulbs for both of these, and then we'll continue. To continue on, I'm going to get this off of here. I'll get this old one off of here. Now I'm going to take my lens assembly and get ready to install it. This little tab should slide in right on there onto the bumper cover. And then once you have it slid in, it should line up with these tabs. Assuming you can get it to slide in. There it is. Press that. Make sure that those tabs are gripping on. Give it a nice tug. If it's loose in any way, you need to make sure that it's fully secured. You can wobble these around, usually it'll click in. Once you know it's secure, go ahead and connect back in your connectors. Nice. This bumper cover back in here with the fender well. Awesome. I'll start in some of my screws. All right. Snug these up. Awesome. Now if you remove the wheel, you would just put it back on and then torque the lug nuts to 100 foot-pounds.